They now?
You have to look.
They're almost...
They were born the 12th, 13th, and 15th of last month.
12th, 13th, and 15th of last month?
Mm-hmm.
You can tell there's definitely a runt, the one in the middle.
Well, he's also born later.
That's Roxy. That's the only one we have a name for yet. I think the one with the yellow head there is the one that we're going to give to Anne's daughter.
Baby?
And then the other one, the one farthest to the left, is going to be mine. Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey guys. I think that's going to be mine. Hey.
He like yawned or something.
Hey.
Turn the standoff might be too cool on him.
I will. Can I show that one?
Yeah.
Hey.